Welcome everyone again. Welcome. And in today's video, I just want to show you guys again how to go about start studying engineering mathematics, or how to study engineering mathematics. Those coming as upcoming second years, or upcoming second years being students, engineering students. Yeah. So to start off with, engineering mathematics, guys, it's one of the courses when you go in second semester or second year. One of the courses that usually troubles people. So in second year, the courses that are there is engineering mathematics, statics, uh, electric principles, materials, and drawing. Engineering drawing. You find these two courses, engineering mathematics and statics, these are the people that usually trouble people, and some go about it by they go fail it. Yeah. So I'm starting off this journey to help you guys so that you are not among the ones that are going to fail this course. Yeah. So engineering mathematics, how are we going to go about it studying engineering mathematics? So for example, when you look at it, this is the first lecture slide in engineering mathematics, but according to the lecturer, he might change, make it the second one. Yeah. But for us, this was the first one. So what do when you go about studying it? The first idea that I'm going to tell you is the first thing that the first thing to success in engineering mathematics is finishing the content. As you can see, this lecture slide is 191 pages, but you'll find some there are 366 pages. That's engineering mathematics. The reason uh, engineering mathematics gets hard is it's bulky, and when you look at the notes, the way they are, here the course content, the topic content, tangents and normals to general planes, they are just four content. But when you get inside, you find that the statement they're trying to say, they get to be confusing, like boring. You get to That's what makes mostly this engineering mathematics to be hard. When you get inside, you find there are notes. That's when they go to what, an example, a first example. Yeah. So what's there is, guys, is the way to study this is, firstly, when you start studying these notes, try to get the concept of what they are trying to mean. Trying to get the concept of what they are trying to what? Trying to mean. So you'll find that you study, you may be reading and studying, but you're not getting mark the point. You get the point a lot when you use an example. Now when you go to an example, that's when you start, okay, so that's what they were saying. And the questions, the exam questions, they are all on examples mostly. Now examples, guys, solve each and every example that is in the lecture slide. Yeah. When you start the lecture slide at first, start the notes, but when you repeat, just focus on examples. Yeah, even though the definitions are okay, but yeah, focus on what? On examples. Even the examples, you might you'll be finding that they are not making sense, but just be that person who never gives up. Yeah. The key to engineering mathematics is just what? Just to finish, just to do what's needed and finish the content, do the examples. And that's where the problem that's there is that makes people to fail this course is time. You find that's why I encourage people to start studying it right now, this engineering mathematics. Because you may study, solve an example, a test comes, things get a little bit hard the way they phrase the question. Yeah, it's because of the test question and the example. Now to someone who just do this today and tomorrow a question, you'll find it becomes more hard. Yeah. So the issue that is usually there mostly it's time. You'll find you are told you'll be writing a quiz in 2 days time. You have a lot of work to do, a test, you have a lot of work to do. Yeah. It's not like it's that hard. It's just a matter of what time, because all these examples, you need to understand them, you need to be fluent in them. Now when you just go to study them, meanwhile you're going to write an exam or a test, you find you're just rushing, you won't get anything. And it's engineering mathematics, I can't lie. People, even myself, I got a C of 11, but by the grace of God I cleared the course with a C. Yeah, it was hard, I can't lie, it was hard. So these, just go on examples, solve the example, these examples, that's just a key. And can you manage to finish the what, the content? Yeah. And use YouTube videos, guys, especially when we are in the holiday. You know the course outline, you know the notes. Use YouTube where you can't understand. Yeah. For YouTube, I'm that person who was not that interested in using YouTube videos, but you'll find I waste a lot of time these notes. I'm not trying to get the concept. But the moment I will just go to YouTube, I someone explains. When I come back, I'm understanding the things and I can move on. Yeah. So when